Alright, so now that we've solved the cross, we need to solve the remaining 4 corner pieces. And those are the 4 corner pieces with white on one of the sides. When we're all done, it should look like this, where the white is one solid piece, and when you look at it from the side, you get this T-shape going on here. And that says we've solved it in the correct way. That means we have all the cubies in the correct position down here. And once we're all done, that last layer will be completed. We won't have to worry about it anymore. So to get started solving the 4 corner pieces, we put the cross on the bottom and we look in the top layer for any white corner pieces with white on them, like this one. We have white, blue, and red corner piece here. And if you think about where we want it in the solved position, we want it right down here with the in between the blue side and the red side, and on the bottom layer, obviously the white layer. So to prepare for this move, we position the corner piece right up above where you want it. So we want it down here, we're going to put it up here. And then we're going to hold the cube so that is at the top right position. We call this the UFR position because it's in the upper layer, it's also in the front layer, and it's also in the right layer. So that's the UFR position. And once it's up there, we execute the algorithm. Well, it depends on the way the white side is facing. So in this case, the white side is facing the right side. And in that case, we execute the algorithm R, U, R prime. So to get it down there, we go R, U, R prime. Simple as that. And then we have it down here and facing the right way. Now, if you have it in the other side, so here we have a blue, orange, white corner piece. So we're going to put it in between the blue and orange sides. And if we put it in the UFR position, like right here, we notice the white side is facing us. It's not facing the right like it was before. And in that case, you execute a different algorithm. You execute F prime, U prime, F. So F prime, U prime, F. And then we have it down here exactly where we want it. And there's also a third case, and that is if the white is on the very top. It's on neither side, it's on the top. And that's a little trickier. So in this case, we have the green, the red, and the white corner piece. So we put it in between the green and the red sides, and first we have to get it oriented correctly. And to get it oriented correctly, you go R, U2, R prime. So we go R, U2, R prime. So now you'll notice it's the white side is not on top anymore, and so if we move it back to where we had it before, in between the red and the green center pieces, and right up above where we want it, then we have the white sticker facing the right, and we can execute our normal algorithm R, U, R prime. So R, U, R prime, and then we have it down on the bottom. And the worst case scenario is it is on the bottom layer but not oriented correctly. So for instance, we have this cubie here. It's the green, orange, white cubie, so it's in the right spot, but it's not oriented correctly. The orange is facing us now, and it shouldn't be. We want the white one facing us. So in this case, you need to bring this cubie up to the top. And the beauty of it is, if you are solving this with the lower layer on the bottom, you don't have to worry about what you're doing to the upper 2 layers. So to move it to the top, all you got to do is R, U, R prime. So to move it to the top, we go R, U, R prime. And if you notice, that got it up to the top, but now the white is on the top. If we had done it in a slightly different way, because the white sticker was facing this way, if I had turned it like this, and instead done L inverse U, L, then it would have worked out better. L inverse, U, and L. Then we get this in the top layer, and it's actually, the white sticker is not on top anymore, and it's a lot better. So then once you have it on top, you just solve it like normal. So I'm going to put it in between the right up above where we want it, and then I'm going to execute the algorithm. And once you do that, you have it all solved on the bottom. The whole first layer is solved, and you can stop worrying about it.